How to delete your Discord server. If you want to delete your Discord server, you must be the owner of that server. So open up your discord.com website or the app, whatever is comfortable for you, and simply navigate towards your server. Once you go to server, tap on your server name from the top, and then from there go to the option server settings and click on it. And when you go to server settings, this is the option that you'll be able to find. Then what you want to do is on the left hand side, you want to scroll and there you'll find the option that says delete server. So click the delete server button. And then here you simply have to go ahead and first of all type in basically the server name just for verification. So let me just go ahead and type that in. Once done, hit the delete server button and then you should be able to go ahead and basically delete the server. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.